In this video, we will be covering how to install the Dodge Quantis straight hollow output shaft. This video is a supplement to the Quantis manual, where all required specs for the customer's shaft can be found with the gearbox. Quantis straight hollow gearboxes come with an assembly kit that includes a retaining ring, a keeper plate, a retaining bolt and lock washer, a dust cap, and anti-seize. Make sure you have all of these items handy for the installation. First, determine which side of the gearbox you will install the hardware. The assembly hardware will be installed on the opposite side of the gearbox from your shaft. Install the retaining ring into the retaining groove on the side of the reducer you have chosen. Next, press the keeper plate into the bore until it is against the retaining ring. Apply anti-seize to the customer shaft. Then, install the key to the shaft. Now, install the reducer onto the shaft until the shaft shoulder connects to the gearbox hollow bore. You may need to pull the reducer onto the shaft with a threaded rod, spacer, and nut. Tighten the retaining bolt into the tapped hole in the customer shaft. Then, press the dust cap into the hollow bore. Your Dodge Quantis hollow bore gearbox is now ready for operation. To learn more about Quantis and other Dodge products, visit our website at dodgeindustrial.com.